Some of you may recognise this, some of you may not. But guys, there it is. The beauty of my E30. Yeah, no longer in his space over there. He's over in this one. So yeah guys, I've moved house. I left this car here. Smells a bit fuely. That's okay. Of course he's not locked, is he? So this is going to be the first proper drive of this car down the road, so I'm going to take you along with me. Got an MOT booked, so we should be fine to get there. We've got insurance. So yeah, come with me guys. Let's see how she does. Alright, battery's on. Out of gear. It's a good start. That is indeed a good start to the day. Bit of a belt noise, but I'm going to pull this back and then we'll check the tyres, check the wheel nuts, make sure it's all safe. Throttling back, check the wheels. We're looking on fuel. We're no lights on, but we're low. So yeah, should be okay. Get down the road to the petrol station. That's one stop I am allowed to make on the way to the MOT. So yeah, let's check these tyres and I'll see you on the road. Alright then guys, I've filled up with fuel. Not masses, because there's obviously a slight leak in the tank. If I go right too much, then the fuel moves to the other side of the tank and then it sort of just leaks out the bottom, so that's good. Got to be careful when turning right. We haven't overheated, that's pretty good. So I have to speak loud because I've got the windows open and the heater on, just to make sure that we're okay. Everything feels okay. It feels really firm from the back with these new polybushed rear subframe and stuff in. We've got some traffic lights coming up. Are they gonna? Oh, they're going red. Brakes, absolutely god awful. I don't know whether that's because I've still got the old discs and pads on the front that have been on there for 3 years in the, in the elements. Could just need a breathe, not a breathe. Could need a bleed. Don't feel too bad. A little bit spongy maybe, but yeah. So far it's going well. Indicator stopped working, started working again. Usual loose bulb business. Sat some traffic lights now, of course. But overall she drives very nicely. Nothing's fallen off. Touch wood. Ah, shit. There's no wood to touch. Anyway, let's assume I didn't say that. Yeah, just gonna carry on now. About halfway through my journey through the English countryside. Yeah, it's weird. Feels weird being back in this car. All the pedals are very stiff compared to anything new. All of them really stiff. So yeah. Oh, we're off. Doing my best not to attract any unwanted attention while I'm driving along to my MOT. Car feels good. Steering is ridiculously light compared to the E46. Yeah, I have to say guys, this has been quite the success actually. Even drives pretty straight, even on these rough roads. I will say though, the polybush rear end on a rough road is quite vibrating-y. Sorry, gear change. Yeah, quite vibration-y. It's not ideal, but another gear change. It's not a lot you can do about that, is there? Anyway, let's capture some of this driving. Up to 40. Everything feels okay. Tyres still inflated. No weird knocks or bangs from anything. Yeah, lovely bit of the countryside this, Hampshire, down the south. Again, I'm sorry if there's any wind noise, but windows open just for good luck. See our miles per gallon there, averaging 50, going along at this 40 miles an hour pace. I think I know where I'm going, so that's good. Lovely bit of the countryside. Decided not to take the main A road for obvious reasons. Don't really want to be doing 70 in this just yet. We'll build up to that. Especially not with that fuel leak, and don't want to get the exhaust too hot, do we? But yeah, everything's looking pretty bob on, if I'm honest with you. I haven't really revved it out yet. I forgot how loud this thing was with it straight through exhaust. Trying not to get anyone to report some yob driving through the countryside. Anyway, that's the aim. So here we go, cyclist. Right, pop the camera down, gotta do some gears. The MOT on this car ran out January 2022. That's how long it's been since I've driven this. And while I'm here driving to the MOT, it feels good. It feels good to be back in it. Very slow to start with, make sure that nothing's going to fall off or anything stupid like that, but yeah. My God, does it feel good being back in this car. It's so cool. There's so much room inside it, like the headroom's insane. If you've got one, nice. If you want one, they're getting pretty damn expensive now, I'll tell you that. Maybe not this one, but a nice one. Pretty expensive. Here we are, we're in the village now, where we've moved to. It's where I've booked the MOT. Windmill garage, or something like that, I believe. Oh yeah, we just went around here, lovely. That man looked very upset when I cut around that van rather than stopping, but yeah. Everything feels good into a 30 now. Don't want to ruin the village dynamics, do we? There used to be a really old car showroom around here, but unfortunately it's been knocked down. Turned into houses, of course, because that's the English way. Can't have anything nice. Speed bumps. So yeah, can't have anything nice when we're in this country. Just more houses is what we want. But I suppose, yeah, that's fine. Through the village, lovely thatched roof to my left. Outside a little farm, little church. Lovely. Quite hard to stop. Clutch, very odd. Very firm, all of this. Oh, that's a big bump. Over the bump, right. Duck pond on there. Beautiful. Another bump. God, these bumps look massive in this car. In the E46 they don't look too bad, but in this they look huge. Anyway, I'm nearly at the garage now, so you will see me later on, and I will let you know how the MOT went. Hopefully good things, but there's a few things I know that are wrong with this, but yeah. Light promoter C's sticky, again needs cleaning out as usual. Bits of rust, definitely no rust. And yeah, that's it guys. I will catch you after my MOT. I booked for about half hour or so. I thought I'd get there early just in case anything happens. Yeah, I will catch you later guys after the MOT with some good or bad news. We'll see. See you later on. Right guys, we're back from the MOT. Me and the E30. It's bad news, I'm afraid. We failed. Who knew? Who knew that was coming, eh? Right then, so failures. What have we got here? Windscreen washer not working. There's no water in it. Headlamp not working. Main beam near side. No idea why. I did have that one out, so it's not a problem. Headlight aim's too low. Yep, not a surprise either. Right, the big ones. Suspension component mounting, prescribed area excessively corroded, significantly reducing structural strength, near side front inner sill. Bad news. So we've also then got offside front inner sill. Bad news. And then we've got near side rear inner wheel arch. More bad news. But it's not all terrible, I'll be honest with you. Yeah, it's not all terrible, because those 3 bits of rust we knew about, we'd accepted it, that's fine. Right, onto the minors. So there, that's it for the majors. Onto the minors. What we've got, drive shaft CV boot deteriorating, both outers. Yep, not a problem, they're old. Could replace those easy enough. Windscreen seriously discovered but not adversely affecting driver's view. Bit confused about this one. I mean, it's filthy, it needs a clean, so maybe that's it, but you know, we'll give that a good clean and hopefully that goes away. Monitor and repair if necessary. Offside boot area and inner wheel arch, and offside inner wheel arch excessively corroded but not within a prescribed area. Yep, there's some rust holes on the boot, or boot lip around the back. Yep, yeah, there is, fair enough. Not structural, not near any rust, so yeah, monitor and repair if necessary. We'll be ignoring those, I reckon. Brake disc worn, pitted or scored but not seriously weakened. Fronts, yep, they've sat for 3 years outside, so yeah, it's not the end of the world. Front to rear brake pipes and fuel pipes corroded. They are. Probably replace those at some point when I'm underneath it, if I can buy them easy enough. Front tyres cracking, yep, they're old, I think they're from 2014. Front brake hoses deteriorating as well. For those brake lines, that's not a problem, we've got braided lines. The last one is absolutely my favourite. Underbody, suspension, brakes, floor, chassis, wheel arches, etc. corroded. There we have it, guys. It's rusty, who knew? It's 35 years old, guys. It's had a good run, but we've now got the advisory for the whole thing being corroded on the underside. Obviously not ideal, but yeah, what can you do, eh? Running, guys, fear not, because this thing is going back on the road hopefully this year. Yeah, I've just started a welding course, you know, focusing on car bodywork, so that's quite convenient. That's about 10 more weeks of that every sort of 2 hours a week, so hopefully later this year, guys, this thing back on the road with an MOT, fully legal. Can't wait. Anyway, that's it from me, guys. Thank you for watching. A little bit of a drive in E30 today. It smells beautiful, this thing. Oil, petrol. Ah, it smells good. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Joining me at the Kate's garage. Actually a garage now, rather than just some bloke chatting to himself outside in a car park. So yeah, more videos coming about making this garage more car friendly, more usable, maybe fix the lighting, that sort of thing. Yeah, thank you, guys. I'll catch you next time here on the YouTubes. See you later.